Visualizing Insight by Fred. Presentation Overview, Introduction, Why Summarize Findings, Narrative Form, Visual Form, Graphics Form, and Conclusion. Introduction. In this presentation, we will explore how to use narrative, visual, and graphics forms to summarize your findings. We will discuss the benefits of each form and provide examples and tips for using them effectively. By the end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding of how to execute your report with a clear and compelling summary. Why summarizing findings? Summarizing findings is a critical component of any report. It allows readers to quickly understand the key takeaways without having to sift through pages of information. In fact, studies have shown that people are more likely to read and retain information when it's presented in a summarized format. Furthermore, summarizing findings helps to highlight the most important information and can make it easier to identify trends or patterns. This can be particularly useful for decision-making purposes, as it allows stakeholders to quickly grasp the implications of the data. Narrative form. When it comes to summarizing findings in a report, narrative form can be an effective tool. By telling a story, you can convey complex information in a way that is easy to understand and engaging for your audience. To use narrative form effectively, start by identifying the key points you want to convey. Then, think about how you can structure those points into a compelling narrative that will keep your audience interested. Consider using anecdotes or real-life examples to illustrate your points and make them more relatable. Another important aspect of using narrative form is to keep your tone conversational. You want your audience to feel like they are listening to a friend tell a story, rather than being lectured to. Use simple language and avoid jargon or technical terms that might confuse your audience. Finally, be sure to practice your delivery so that you can deliver your narrative with confidence and enthusiasm. Visual form. Visual form is an effective way to summarize findings in a report. By using graphs, charts, and images, you can convey complex information in a clear and concise manner. One of the benefits of using visual form is that it allows you to present data in a way that is easy to understand. For example, a graph can quickly show trends or patterns that might be difficult to discern from a table of numbers. Additionally, images can help break up text-heavy reports and make them more engaging for readers. Graphics are a powerful tool for summarizing findings in a report. They allow you to convey complex information in a clear and concise manner, making it easy for your audience to understand and retain key insights. Infographics are one type of graphic that can be particularly effective. These visual representations combine text, images, and data to tell a story and communicate information quickly and clearly. Other types of graphics, such as charts and diagrams, can also be useful for summarizing findings. In conclusion, summarizing findings through narrative and visual and graphics forms is a crucial aspect of creating an effective report. By using these techniques, you can engage your audience and convey information in a way that is both informative and memorable. Remember to use narrative form to tell a story and make the data relatable, while also utilizing visual form to present information in a clear and concise manner. And don't forget about graphics form, which can help to simplify complex data and make it more accessible for your audience.